Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. With the last puzzle. Yes, the last puzzle in this puzzle page. Not in today's newspaper of Monday, February the 20th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Saturday, February the 18th, 2023. And we have solved all the puzzles in the Saturday edition except one. Yes, this is the last puzzle in the puzzle page, the binary with 2 stars, and this will be number 5996. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 22 printed digits. One more than this one. Yeah, one more than this one. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, between two ones comes an O. Well. Now, need to think. Cannot believe this. Need to think now. Need to think. Well, between two O's, no. Between two O's comes a 1, double 1, here no, there no. And I think this box should be also a 1. If I place number, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Well, I cannot place number 5 here or there. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so these two should be an O. Alright. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, between the O's comes in 1. Here we have 4 ones in this row. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. Alright, then. Yeah. Then I need to think. Come on, think. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O, then we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place number 5 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are 1s. Alright, between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Okay. Then double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me see. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Here we have also 3 4 O's in this row. If I place number 5 there, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's in this row. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place number 5 here then, the 5th O, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Now we have, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes to no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 O's in this row. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 ones in the first row. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Need to compare, I think. Need to compare 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Need to compare. The question is the rows. Well, no. Cannot compare this row. How about 101? Do we have 101 here? 01, the 1, O, here. This row and that row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 5 0. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Here we have also 5. 1 2 3 4. Need to compare again the last time. How about the last row? Double 1 here. Here we have also double 1. Almost the same, this one. 1 here. 1, no. I need to compare the columns then. Do we have a double 1 here? Here we have a double. This row, column. And the last column. Empty box 001. Wow, Need to sneeze. Apologies. Empty box. 1 empty box. Need to switch these two digits. With 1 here, this should be an O. With O here, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow. Not easy for 2 stars. Not easy, but we solve it again. And you need to compare. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. And yeah, see you then. Bye-bye for now.